Tastes like human flesh. Tastes like human flesh. Tastes like human flesh. Tastes like human flesh. He was a tremendous man. Tremendous man. All those white men try to steal our land. All those white men try to steal our land. Remember this land. When Quanah Parker was here, I explored the world with him. He was a tremendous man.
Really?
All those white men try to steal our land. All those white men try to steal our land. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Watch out!
He's ready to strike.
General, do you hear that?
Holy crap.
Did you hear those rattlesnakes?
Yes. He's ready to strike. Rattlesnakes. You gotta be very, very, very careful. Because a rattlesnake can hop out and strike us twice in a blink of an eye.
Where's it at?
Right there.
There she is.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Watch out!
He's ready to strike.
Watch out! Watch out!
Mammals?
Has General Watiki ever seen technology like this?
No, he hasn't. Yes, the Hobbit. Hobbits from the Shire. Hobbits from the Shire. Whoa, whoa. Hobbits from the Shire. Whoa, whoa. Hobbits from the Shire. Hobbits from the Shire. Hobbits from the Shire. That was another part of his land that I fought for with him. It makes me tear up. All the people we had to kill. Some say you can hear them talking.
Some say what?
They can talk, even move.
Really?
Yes. But it's a local legend.
What? Local legend?
Yep. Haven't heard. I heard stories of many of them. About the Shire.
This is cray-cray.
I know it is.